gonna take this bra off. You're annoying me, bruh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and I am so excited for today's recipe, orange cauliflower chicken. Now I've made this recipe twice and it is delicious. So let me show you how to make it. Alright guys, I have about a half a head of cauliflower here. Now I tried to cut them into a boneless wing type of shape, so I cut the stem off as opposed to a chicken wing shape with the stem still on. So cut them down as low as possible so that you get a Chinese type of cut, and now you know exactly what's in your chicken. Okay, our breading is going to be very similar to that of the cauliflower wings. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup almond milk, onion and garlic powder. Let's do a teaspoon each, and some salt. Y'all already know what to do. Let's get that whip action going. Yes. Whip it real good. Oh yes, that batter smells great. Now that we have our wet batter set up, let's get our dry batter, which is going to simply be panko breadcrumbs. I'm not going to season the breadcrumbs because we are going to literally be putting this with a ton of sauce, so just leave it as is. All right, here we go. Let's let these bad boys swim. I like to put a couple in here, and I'm just gonna shake the breadcrumbs into the cauliflower. Now you're gonna transfer your cauliflower onto parchment paper and prepare to put it in the oven. As soon as your panko starts to get too clumpy, go ahead and add a little bit more, guys. No problem with that, no problem. All right, here we are. Let's pop these bad boys in the oven for 20 minutes. All right, while our cauliflower wings bake, let's make our sauce. My stove is on low. Let's do 1 cup orange juice, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup coconut aminos, or you can use soy sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 tablespoon sriracha. Now let's whip it real good. I'm sorry, this is a very family oriented show and we just whip classily. Yeah, classily, I said it. To get our sauce to thicken, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water. Alright guys, it's actually been 15 minutes, but always watch your food. So I noticed there was a crisp on top of the cauliflower, exactly how we want it to be. Go ahead and cut the stove off, and now it's time to dip our cauliflower. Oh yes, I've already made some rice. Ooh, food boy. Come on, give it to him closer, Aaron. Give it to him closer. Hit him with the drip. Hit him with the drip. Ooh. All right, so here we go, guys. Let's snazz it up by cutting a little green onion on top. Ooh, now we impressive. Now we impressive. Just in case you guys were wondering, this is how much we still have left over with plenty of dip. So this will serve however many you think. Okay, now for the moment I've always been waiting for, because you are not here to taste it, but I will share with you here. Here's a little bite right here. Okay, open up. You're welcome, friend. Oh my gosh. The flavor. And it does have a spicy kick, which I love. So if you're not a big fan of spice, I wouldn't say eliminate the sriracha, but maybe bring it down to a teaspoon or half a tablespoon. But this, oh my gosh, y'all. I mean, I've already showed you 1,000 close-ups. This is so good.
Ooh, and the sauce? Ooh, the heat.
Yes, to lower it down.
This is good.
As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and an extra shimmy if you subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Peace.